off. It's Jesse. I'm not in right now. Leave it at the beat. Later.
Hey, baby, it's Jasmine. I can't see you tonight. Something came up and I gotta go away for the weekend. But I'll call you when I get back. I miss you already. Be a good boy. Mwah.
Now my girlfriend said she'd be out of town, and I was in the mood to fool around. So I called up Cassie, this redheaded flirt. I figured what my girlfriend doesn't know can't hurt. We went on a date, and that's when Cassie said she was down to do the nasty. I was with it, but then it dawned on me I had a girl that was willing, but where could I get busy? I couldn't go to my house cause my mom was home. Couldn't do it at a place because we couldn't be alone. Couldn't do it in my car, that would be degrading. I would've done it outside, but it was raining. Then I recalled the place where I could bring the freak. It's open 25 hours, 8 days a week. A nice little spot where I could knock 'em well. The $55 motel.
$55 motel, motel. $55 motel. $55 motel, motel. $55 motel. $55 motel, motel. $55 motel. $55 motel, motel.
Her eyes were blue and her body was fine, with nice round hips and a soft behind. She had the kind of body that'll make heads turn, and two round things that were big and firm. To make the mood comfortable, calm and nice, I supplied the Riuriti and of course the ice. After a sip of champagne, that's when I think she loosened up a bit and started getting kinky. She pulled me onto the king-size Fatmatic recliner, flipped me like a pancake, dangling on top like Aunt Jemima. The girl was going crazy and wild all night, like she was the next contestant on The Price is Right. I mean, yelling like a cheerleader, cheering me like a star, screaming Jesse, Jesse, sis boom ba. I was rocking those bells just like LL at the $55 motel.
$55 motel, motel. $55 motel.
Oh yeah.
$55 motel, motel. $55 motel. $55 motel, motel. $55 motel.
A word 'em up.
$55 motel, motel.
Now, after we was done, me and my freak put on the TV and tried falling asleep. But the couple next door was making a ruckus, banging away. I couldn't sleep, so bust this. I paid a quick visit to my neighbor and said, Mister, your girlfriend's barking like a Doberman pincher. Do me a favor, keep it down to a peak, cause ain't nobody at the motel can fall asleep. He said okay, that he'd try to stop her, but she kept screaming like the Phantom of the Opera. From 12 to 1 to 2 a.m. Every time I fall asleep, she starts screaming again. At first, I was mad, but then got curious to see what kind of freak could shriek like this. I mean, all through the night, the yelling got iller, but the more I heard the screaming, the more the girl sounded familiar. I could've swore I recognized the shout. I started thinking, and then I figured it out. It was my girlfriend. Yo, what the hell? At the $55 motel?
$55